This is a video review of the 7-inch capacitive touchscreen Android 4.0 tablet Allwinner A13 1.0 GHz 512 megabyte 4G Wi-Fi tablet. I bought it on Amazon from the All Kinds of Electronics seller. So far they've been a great seller and they've been really helpful. And so here it is. So that's the box it comes in. I have already opened this, so it's not exactly as it is, but here's basically what it looks like. You open it up. Inside there's a nice tablet PC user manual. It tells you all about it and how to use it. And then when you go down, they actually ship it with a screen protector that you can put on it. And that's really nice, because then it won't get all scratched up. And then here is the tablet. Oh, also, I have the charger. This is the charger right here. I've used it already to charge it. And this would normally go right down there. But here. So you get out the tablet, and here it is. It's a nice 7-inch tablet. It doesn't have a back camera, but it has a front one. And you wouldn't really use this as a digital camera because it's a tablet, not a digital camera. So it's actually really nice. You can use that for Skyping and for whatever else you want. It has, on the bottom, it has the charging port, which is right there. That's a charging port. Then here's a USB mini port. And this you can actually use to charge the tablet, and you can use it as a USB port, because it comes with this. And this right here, it lets you plug it in, and then you have a full-sized USB port that you can plug anything you want into, like a keyboard, a mouse. You can actually, I've done this, you can actually charge your iPod with this. You can charge it, you can even sync your pictures to the tablet. So that's really handy. And then it comes with this cable. It's a USB to USB mini cable, and it lets you connect your tablet to your computer to transfer files. So that's really handy too. And then lastly, it actually comes with its very own micro SD card, a 4 gigabit micro SD card. And that right there is to expand the memory. So as I was saying, this right here, that's the mini USB. This right here is a mini HDMI port. So you can hook this up to your TV, the tablet, and then you can display whatever's on the screen on your TV. And then finally, here's an earphone jack. So you can listen to music on here or movies with headphones. And right here, if you go down here, you can see that there's the port to put the micro SD card in. And there's a speaker. This tablet, the feel of it, it feels pretty solid. It's made out of some nice plastic. And I mean, you might think plastic, oh wow, that's a cheap tablet, but no, it's pretty sturdy plastic. It has a home button right here. The camera and the back, it's a nice textured plastic, and so it feels good when you're holding it. It's really nice. And then I forgot to tell you, up here there are the volume buttons, and then there's a sleep button and the power button. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I've already turned it on, so it should wake right up. Oh, actually I haven't turned it on, so here, we'll let it power up. There we go. Has a nice world sign. And there's Android. This thing, the viewing angles on this, most tablets like this, they don't have good viewing angles, but this one actually has decent viewing angles. You can view from the side and see it pretty well. And then you can also, when you go up and down, they're not that great, but it still works well. And it takes a little while to turn on, but it has Android on it. And in the description it says that the Android's like 3 point something, but the Android is actually 4.0. So I think it's 4.0.1. So it's actually upgraded. And this tablet here, it's not what the picture looks like on the listing, it's an upgraded version of that tablet. So let's go ahead, and when you touch this, you can either go to your camera or you can go to your lock. So I'll go ahead and unlock it. And here's your main screen. And so you can slide between screens. There aren't many things on here, but you can put icons on it. So when you go up here, here are all your apps. I don't know if you got that, but you go up in the top right corner and you press the button. Here are all your apps. You can scroll between apps, and it even has widgets. And these are all things that you can put on your home screen. So let's try the settings shortcut. So if you hold it down, you can just set it right up there. And press that, I think, yeah. Then it pops up on your home screen. And there you go. You can even, if you want to put an app, like, it comes preloaded with all these apps. I didn't download any of these. So you get Angry Birds for free, you get Fruit Ninja, and then you get a bunch of helpful ones. So if I want to put this here, I can just set that right there. There you go. So now on your home screen, you can go between pages and you can make pages of apps. And also, when you're using this, you have multitasking. So you can go up here, and it doesn't have any recent because I haven't done any. So I'll open up this app, and it'll start loading, and you can press the home button right here. It's a nice click, and then it closes out. And then if I open up this one, it's your app settings right here. This is your settings right here. You can go to Wi-Fi. It even, something I found that's really cool, it has a portable hotspot. So you can actually turn this tablet into a portable hotspot. And I've done it before and connected my iPod to it. This doesn't have any 3G, so it didn't give me any data, but if you hook up a 3G dongle, then it will have 3G, and you can share it with other people. So here's your settings. If you're scrolling down, you can change all sorts of stuff about your tablet. And now about the multitasking. If you click on here, it shows all your recent apps. So I can just go back to Angry Birds and keep playing that, and see it's all loaded. And actually it plays pretty well. And I know the quality in this thing, the screen listed, it's not as good as like an iPad or something, but actually I don't really notice that much of a difference. It works pretty well. So as you can see, it works pretty well. There's no lag or anything, and it's a nice tablet. So yeah, and so beat this level. There you go. It's pretty simple, and you can also, if you don't want to use this button as a home button, you can use this button down here. So if I click it, there you go, it quits out. And you have a nice little shortcut menu. If you tap down here, you click it, then you have all your settings. Oh, I went to Wi-Fi. But if you click on here, and then right there, then you have a nice little shortcut menu. And you can adjust a bunch of things like that. And if you tilt it, it'll automatically tilt. And you even have a search bar up here where you can search for apps, or you can search for, you can even search a web. I don't have it hooked up to Wi-Fi right now, but if you did, you could search a web. So let's start typing. And then if you start typing, you can even search your application. So I just search Angry Birds and click on it. It brings me right to Angry Birds. So overall, this tablet, I like it a lot. It's been it surprised me a lot. The price is really cheap, and the tablet is fully functional. You get a lot of stuff. You get a nice charger, and this charges decently fast. It's a fast charger, and you can even charge it using a computer. So if you don't want to bring around this charger, you can just bring a cable and charge it with your computer. And one of the really big things about this that's actually, it almost makes it better than the iPad and all those things, is you can expand the memory right down there. You can expand the memory here, I'll actually do that. And you can hook up a USB port. So you can even put like a flash drive in here and make it even bigger. So I put that in, and then it should show up in my settings if I put it in right. Just go down here to settings, and then storage, and see, it tells you all how much everything takes up. That's helpful. So I guess I didn't put it in right. Here, I'll try that again. I'll have to fix that. But you can hook up a flash drive, and the flash drive works well too. And so the flash drive can expand your storage even more. And then this thing can have a lot of storage. And you can hook up, say you're making a file on the computer, you can put the file on a flash drive and send it over to here, and then you can work on your file from this instead of your computer. And this is just, it's really handy. It's not that heavy. It's just an all-around good tablet, I think, for the price at least. And you could spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on a high quality one, but I mean this one does all the basics that they do, and it's really, really helpful. So yeah.